Hey. We're gonna go for a ride now. Look at that, sitting right. Way better. Brakes work? That's good. Way to go flying. Right there. Hey, look, there's your other car. Just moved her out here for the day. Do a little. I think we'll put cars away when we get back. Clean the bay. Oh, Victor's front door is open. Is he still there? Oh yeah, their truck's there.
I feel like I pay attention to anything.
Anyway, brakes feel nice?
Yeah, some nice cars here.
Yeah, there's some nice stuff lined up here. Whoop! Thanks, Xander. Alright.
Alright, now let's get up to speed. That's what it was doing its thing. I forget that the indicator is up on the fender.
Yeah.
Smells good.
Smells like car. We driving, we going for a ride. It's not doing that axle shift anymore when you let on off throttle. It only goes forward now like it's supposed to. Yay!
And it sits normal.
Yeah, it's not all slammed out in the back. Alright.
And it rides better because it's big shocks.
Yeah, this car feels completely different. In a good way. In a real good way.
Yeah, and if you're wondering where your old thing is, it's somewhere down there.
It's right here, it's on the floor.
Those always fall off.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels good.
I'm happy with it.
No torque steer.
Nice. Yeah, no throttle steer because the axle shifts. Nice. Yay, improvement.
The brakes feel good.
Woo. Yeah, they don't pull or anything.
Feels like a boat.
Oh, it is a boat. Yeah.
Fucking tiny sway bars.
Yeah.
I feel like I might want to stall out. A little rough.
Yeah, it's alright. Alright. Happy camper.